Okay, for Tech AR guide are tips on how to save speed ups. So now is Tech AR on Thursday, hero training and BS. So then we will align it for tomorrow. So for tomorrow's Tech AR is 2 p.m. SGT. So it's minus 20 hours. So what we need to do is have 20 hours left here on both of the two First and Tech AR. But we also need to consider this because this will be available for less than 3 hours now, and then so 20 hours plus another 20, so 1 day and 16 hours. So we need 1 day and 16 hours left here, so it will be ready for tomorrow at 2 p.m. SDT. So let's see. 2 days and 16 hours. Okay, that's about it. Since we already have 14 past 14 minutes 14 minutes past 6 p.m. So this one next. So that should be 1 day and 16 14 minutes. Okay, that's fine. So as you can see, it's still not enough. So we will have this 3 ready for tomorrow. It's actually just a plus minus thing. It's already done. Okay, let's do it like that. So as you can see, I exceeded, but not that much, since almost 1 day and 16 hours. So tomorrow I'll make a video again and show you. This will all will be done at 2 p.m. SGT. Just at the exact time for this Tech AR. Okay. So bye bye for now.